Good?
How's that?
Yep. Alright.
1, 2, 3. Hi guys, thank you very much for watching Hawaii Life channel. This is Dave. Hi guys, today from Hawaii Life channel, we're watching the fireworks here in Waikiki. That's perfect.
Hi guys, Dave here. Happy Thanksgiving everybody. I hope that you guys are prepared for the Thanksgiving dinner. I know that a lot of you travelers out there are coming home to your families to celebrate this wonderful event. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel up above and also check out our other videos up on the right side and also I think up above us. Again, thank you very much and enjoy your time with the family and be safe. Aloha, see you on the beach.